It helps the Belizean Defense Force and the interagency with aerial reconnaissance. So next time you look up, it is possibly the aircraft making sure that Belize is safe and secure.
As we continue to maintain and enhance force readiness and the resilience, we welcome partnership, especially with the United States government.
It's a game changer, especially for us in the fight against the narco-traffickers in Belize, and for any other activities. For instance, if there's a hurricane during an emergencies, or even forest fires, there's so many things that we can use that to be able to help us.
We are stronger together.